Welcome to Toronto, Canada. Today we're going to be exploring the beautiful city of Toronto, which is the largest city in Canada and the fourth most populous city in North America. In this video I will show you the best things to do in Toronto, my favorite places, and everything you need to know about this beautiful city. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos, because if you like traveling, then I'm sure you will enjoy my other videos. Thanks for watching and welcome to Canada. In this video, we're going to be showing you the beautiful city of Toronto, Canada, and today I have a special guest with me. You probably recognize him from previous videos on my channel. We were in Europe 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Chase!
Hey everyone, I am so excited to explore Toronto with you all. I actually grew up on the border near Buffalo, New York, and so I used to come here all the time as a kid. I definitely had a lot of fun, and this city is so vibrant.
Yeah, Toronto is the biggest city in Canada. There's so much to do here, so get ready because we're going to show you the best places to go to and some spots to eat some local food. We are in a very cool area. What's the name of this area, do you know?
This is just the downtown area.
We're staying very near here, and we're gonna go to where? I told you.
The market.
Yes. We are gonna go to a market called the St. Lawrence Market, which is a very cool spot to try some local food. You can find produce, you can find fresh fruits, pizza, pasta, everything.
Ooh, pizza, my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
So we're gonna try some food there. Let's go. So Toronto is a big city. It has 7 million people and it feels like a big city. So Chase, what are your favorite things about Toronto?
My favorite thing about Toronto is that the city is super diverse. You can pretty much find any food in this city. And also, I feel like it has everything to offer for someone. So whatever it is that you're looking for, they have it here. This city has a wide variety of restaurants, museums. It has a lakeside with a beach. There's tons of nightlife, bars, everything that you can think of. I find the city very attractive.
I actually heard that over 50% of the people that live here were not born in Toronto. So almost half of the city is from overseas, and over 180 languages are spoken here. You find people from everywhere: Mexico, United States,
Brazil,
Europe,
yeah,
everywhere. You see people from like all races. Okay guys, so we are inside the St. Lawrence Market, which is the best place in Toronto to have some local food, and we got a lot of things. So what do we get?
Well, there's so much to choose from. I don't even know where to start. Like this cream horn. We also have this delicious tart.
This one, which is a Portuguese Tart.
And then we have something that's even like miraculous, which is the Godfather. Look at this baby. Oh my gosh. This is so good.
It has eggplant, it has veal, it has a lot of sauce. It's very moist.
Overall, I really like the vibe of St. Lawrence Market. All the food seems very fresh, and especially if you come in the morning, you can watch everyone set up. It's really interesting.
Yeah, there's fresh fruits, there's produce, there's all kinds of things, there's cheese. Some places are closed,
For example, behind us is a pizza place and it's not open yet. So don't come too early because some things are gonna be closed. It's more
Yeah.
like a lunch place,
Yeah, I would say lunch, dinner.
not too early.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Right now it is.
It's 10
Oh,
a.m.
it's like 5 to 10.
It's 10 a.m. and it's not that busy.
Yeah.
It's
I'd
great.
say, honestly, I feel like a good time to come here would probably be like about maybe 11 o'clock or so.
Now we're gonna try this tart, which is called Portuguese Tart. I found it in this very cute bakery downstairs. Ah! Look at this!
Whoa.
Oh
Wow.
my god!
This is so good. Oh my god.
If you come to San Lars Market, make sure to check it out. It's very good. It's a great place to come. If you're a foodie like we are, you're gonna love it here. There's so much food.
Okay guys, I'm gonna split this video into two parts because there is way too many things to show you. Toronto is a very big city, so stay tuned because next week I will release the second part of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. By the way, if you'd like to support this channel, you can do it with a super thanks, which is a little heart right next to the thumbs up button. Your contributions mean so much to me. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you guys next week. Adios.